Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix triangle letter on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So this problem mainly arises when you try to post anything on Instagram or you try to post your story. So how you can fix that? You simply need to go back and check your internet connection that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, then you need to go into the Play Store and search for the Instagram, and you need to update your Instagram application if you find an update. And then you need to go into the settings and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for the Instagram. And here you need to clear storage and cache. Once you clear that, you simply need to log into your account on Instagram, and then your issue will be resolved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.